Hello viewers and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into an essential topic on solar sizing for your energy needs, whether it is for your homes, businesses, or an off-grid project. This step-by-step guide will simplify the process. Let's get started. What is solar sizing? Solar sizing is the process of determining the appropriate size of a solar power system to meet your energy needs efficiently. Why is solar sizing? Why is solar sizing important? Reason number one, it prevents overloading or underutilizing your system. Ensures optimal performance and cost efficiency. Key factors in solar sizing. You need to consider energy consumption, which means that you need to calculate your daily energy use in kilowatts hours. Key factor number two is that you need to consider solar panel capacity. This means that the output of each panel absorbs sunlight. Number three is all about sunlight hours, which means the time or the average peak sunlight hours in your location. For example, if it is between 5 to 6 hours daily, let's go to solar sizing formula. Solar sizing formula, it is given by the number of panels is equals to daily energy use in kilowatts per hour all over panel wattage times sunlight hours. In the storage consideration, you need to focus on the battery size, which means that total energy storage should cover between 1 to 2 days of backup. Number two, in storage consideration, it's about inverter capacity. Should match or slightly exceed your system's peak power needs. Practical example, for example, in my aspect, I'm using daily energy use, which is 10 kilowatts per hour, and panel wattage, let's say I'm using a solar panel of 400 watts, and in terms of sunlight hours, let's take like 5 hours. So in my calculations, you'll say panels needed is equals to 10 all of 4 divided by 1000, which is 0.4 times 5. So panels needed, you only need 5 panels. In an additional tips, you can focus on the factors in future energy needs for expansion. Additional tip number 2 is that you need to account for system losses, which is between 10 to 20%. Consult a solar technician for accurate calculations. Closing tip, I need to conclude by saying that always size your solar system to your energy needs and budgets to ensure efficiency and long-term savings. Thank you. If you really like, please like, share, and comment, my people. Thank you for your time.